Do you want to have radiant skin? Picture this. You've perfected your skincare routine, but your skin still isn't glowing the way you'd like. What if I told you that the problem might not be in your bathroom cabinet, but in your kitchen? The food we consume significantly influences our skin's health. Yes, you heard that right. Our skin's worst enemies aren't just UV rays or pollution. They can also be found lurking on our dinner plates. Foods like sugar, alcohol, saturated fats, salt, processed meats, and caffeine might be throwing a wrench in your quest for radiant skin. From causing inflammation to dehydrating your skin, these culprits can steal away your glow faster than you can say collagen. But don't worry, we're here to shed some light on these hidden enemies. By understanding the effects these foods can have on our skin, we can make smarter choices for our health and our beauty. Now that we know what to look out for, let's dive into why these foods can harm your skin. Sugar and alcohol, they're more harmful to your skin than you might think. They're the dehydrators, the sneaky culprits that can rob your skin of its healthy glow. Let's delve deeper into this. Sugar, for instance, triggers inflammation in your body. This inflammation can lead to early signs of aging like wrinkles and even pesky acne. Next time you reach for that donut or slice of cake, remember your sweet tooth might be contributing to a less than radiant complexion. Now let's talk about alcohol. Ever noticed how your skin looks dull and lifeless after a night of indulging? That's because alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it dehydrates your body and your skin. It strips away the natural moisture, leaving your skin dull and dry. So think twice before indulging in that extra cookie or cocktail. Your skin will thank you. Saturated fats, salt, and processed meats, they might taste good, but your skin disagrees. Let's dig a little deeper into why these are not your skin's best friends. Saturated fats, found in high amounts in fried and greasy foods, are notorious for clogging pores. This blockage can lead to acne outbreaks, detracting from your skin's natural radiance. Then there's salt. While it adds flavor to our meals, too much of it can cause your skin to look puffy and tired, as if you've had a restless night. Don't even get us started on processed meats. Laden with preservatives and additives, they do nothing but harm to your radiant complexion. These substances can trigger inflammation, leading to an array of skin issues. The solution? Opt for fresher, more natural foods. Trade those greasy fries for a vibrant vegetable stir-fry. Swap the salty snacks for a bowl of fresh fruit. Swap out those greasy fries and salty snacks for healthier options. Your radiant skin will be the evidence of your good choices. Caffeine and dairy, staples in many of our diets, can be secretly sabotaging your skin. Yes, you heard it right. Your morning cup of coffee might be doing more harm than good. Caffeine can dehydrate your skin, leaving it looking dull and lifeless. But before you ditch your daily caffeine fix, remember moderation is key. Limit your intake and ensure to hydrate yourself with plenty of water to counterbalance the effects. Now let's talk dairy. It might surprise you, but dairy can trigger inflammation in the body, leading to unwanted acne. The culprit? Hormones present in dairy that can mess with your skin. But don't worry, you don't have to abandon your love for cheese just yet. Non-dairy alternatives are getting better and tastier. Have you tried almond milk or vegan cheese? Consider reducing your coffee intake and exploring non-dairy alternatives. Small changes can make a big difference in your skin's glow. Spicy and processed foods may be your guilty pleasure, but they're no friends to your skin. You see, spicy foods can cause inflammation in your body, and that's not good news for your complexion. This inflammation can lead to a host of skin issues, including acne and rosacea. So, if you're a fan of hot peppers and spicy curries, it might be wise to turn down the heat a little. Then there's the world of processed foods. These are often packed with preservatives and additives that do nothing for your skin's radiance. In fact, they can rob your skin of its natural glow, leaving it looking dull and lifeless. So, it's best to limit your consumption of these foods and instead opt for fresh, natural alternatives. Your skin will surely thank you. Remember, what you eat significantly affects your skin. Choose wisely for that radiant glow. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, news, and curiosities on this topic.